A bee emergency today. The bees have begun to swarm, and they're not swarming near their nest or hive. I am standing about 40 feet away, and I can hear them loud and clear as though they're right in my ears. And as I pan up, the camera probably can't see this, but they're all over that tree. All over. Wow. What a mess. That is a bee emergency. And there's JR without his full bee outfit on, trying to pull up a rack so that he can check. Evidently, from what I've read, the bee emergencies happen when there are too many bees in the box. Ooh, and that looks like way too many. And that's just one rack. So apparently they've outgrown it and they're trying to find a new place.